Hi, my name is Daniel Sanchez, and I help men and women who are overcoming traumatic life experiences and relationships get back to state of health and happiness and all that kind of jazz. And I just wanted to share what my experience with the advanced conversational hypnotherapy is like. And I have no words to put it into words. I had a I had a client who's somewhat resistant to a process that I used to use to help remove limiting beliefs, and it was the first time I ever had that. So I decided, okay, let's do a hypnotherapy session. We had one session. It went 1 hour, and by the end of it, he's like, "How much do I owe you?" I'm like, typical fee. He's like, "No, no, 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 that's not enough. I have literally spent thousands and years trying to solve this problem." He says, "This is the first time I've ever had any, like, he feels like this problem's gone." It's so, and it's not even just from a result standpoint. This is so incredibly easy to use. It's so intuitive. It's so simple. It makes sense. Your clients have all the answers right inside of them, and they just don't know how to access it. And all you have to do is help them, just nudge them here and there, and they will find the answers to their own solutions and problems deeply and fully and permanently and completely. And every single time I've done a hypnotherapy session with this method, every single time people are like, "I have changed. Something's shifted. I am different. I feel lighter. I notice a difference." And the process is so much easier than in traditional hypnotherapy, where you have to like analyze and take all these intake forms and then develop scripts and then try to get them into trance and then figure out if they have trance, and then there's all this pressure. And this is completely the opposite. It's just a simple conversation. You don't have to make like just you don't have to do much of anything, quite honestly. And it's so incredibly powerful. You get to witness the change in people in just one session. It's unbelievable. I have another process that, in my opinion, is almost neck and neck with this, but this is still like, I'm all in now. I don't think there's any other therapy out there that matches what Scott's sharing. It is, I think, he discovered a natural way that the mind and the heart heal on their own. It's I don't have words to express it. It's just amazing. If you can, wow, the value that you get from doing this work, and not only being able to help people so quickly and with effortlessly is amazing. But Scott goes above and beyond in terms of like value and support and helping anyone. You're going to have a ton of other people who are learning this and supporting you in this practice, and it's amazing. I can't say enough for it. And if you have like even the slightest inkling, do it right away, faster than do it yesterday. That's how fast you should do it. Just join, do it quickly, and get started on this, because it will completely transform. I have not met one therapist with all backgrounds and techniques and methods and expertise, years and decades worth, and everyone keeps saying the same thing. This is a game changer. For me, this is like my life's calling. I feel like everything has come to this point for me to learn this so I can help people with this method. I have nothing more to say other than that. Just join now. It's worth it in every way, shape, and form. I hope that helps. And thank you, Scott, for everything. Take care.